all, thank you all for being here. It's a wonderful day that we get to dedicate this beautiful new introductory exhibit. This is, as you all know, a fabulous building and a wonderful museum. And now this is something we've been working on for over close to 2 years, really, to get this all pulled together. We especially thank the Syntex Rural Rail Transportation District and Mr. Bob Lambert. They're going to be our ribbon cutters, so you'll see them in just a minute. They made it possible to have this exhibit here. It really changed the whole layout of the museum, where now where the visitor comes, they get an immediate kind of immersion into the railroad history. So the title of the exhibit is Working on the Railroad, and we have a specially prepared video, and this all is a permanent exhibit. We have the video, we have an interactive, and all the displays. So we welcome you after the ribbon cutting to, of course, view this exhibit and then go ahead and through the rest of the museum and enjoy that as well. So thank you again for being here. We have both the Early and Brownwood chambers. And if everybody would move kind of that way.